Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 4x4 square shaggy rug. So this is going to be an unboxing and I'll show you all the features that it has, how easy it is to clean, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. Alright, so let's get into it. Let me take it out of the plastic. So it's sealed nice and tightly in here. So just be careful when you cut it so you don't cut the rug. So when you take it out, you see that it's like a shaggy rug, nice and soft. Okay, let me open it for you. So you can see the rug. You just move it around just to get rid of any wrinkles. So it's nice and soft. This is also great to play with your kids on the floor. It has a nice cushion to it, so you don't have to worry about them laying down on some hard surface. On the bottom side of the rug, it has an anti-slip. The rug doesn't move when you walk on it or slide on it. You see how I move my hands around and it doesn't shed on my hand? So all this is gonna stay on the rug. So that's a great feature. And if you need to vacuum it or clean it, it's very easy. Let me show you. Vacuum very easily if it ever gets dirty. And then once you finish vacuuming, all you do, you just move your hand around, just give it the fluffy feel again. And you can easily throw this in the washing machine if you want to deep clean it. So it fits very nicely in there. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 4x4 square rug. I like how soft that the rug is and how easy it is to clean and to move around. I also like how it has the anti-slip feature on the bottom. And I also like how you're able to throw this in the washing machine if you need to deep clean it. So this is a great rug to have in your house.